All right, guys, so I'm sitting passenger side in my 2022 Bolt EV, and I figured that I would make a quick video highlighting how I installed and ran the cable or wire for this dash cam that I set up. Reason I'm doing this is because I actually was looking for videos and guides or anything on how people ran their wires on their Bolt EV, and the only thing I was able to find is somebody that tapped into the power from their rear view mirror, their digital rear view mirror on their Premier. I don't have a Premier, I have an LT. So if you have a Premier and you're looking into this, you might want to see if you can find some resources on how to do that so you don't have to run a long wire. But if you don't have a Premier or you've got a Bolt that doesn't have the digital rear view like I do, I'll show you how I ran mine. So basically it's super simple. You can see the cable running from the dash cam going up here, and then you can see it runs into this little plastic housing that is behind the dash cam. Just continue to run along that. Then what you want to do is you want to take the wire and you want to tuck it in underneath this headliner. So you just want to keep tucking it along the top of this headliner. Keep going, keep going, keep tucking it. You'll get to this break in the trim. You'll want to pull this out, it'll just pop out. You'll tuck the wire all underneath through here, and then you'll see that you've got this molding, or this plastic molding. You'll want to continue to tuck the wire all the way down through here. I'll open the door so you guys get a better visual. You'll hear traffic. And then I continue to tuck that wire, and then you can see it pops out here. Look underneath, I just tucked it and continued to run it all the way underneath the glove box. And then it comes back up here. This is literally, so these two spots, this right here and this right here, are the only two cables you can see. And then it just runs right into the cigarette lighter. So super simple. This literally, you just pull it a little bit and you can tuck the wire underneath. The headliner, you can literally just shove the wire up there. This, you just kind of pull out and tuck it. And then these, you literally just tuck the wire underneath. So it's super, super simple. You can tuck any excess wire down in this hole that's here. You can hardly see it, but that's basically what I did. The wire is longer, so I just tucked any excess wire in there. Now, you might be able to do a little cleaner of a job if you can find a way to tuck that wire down in here, or run that wire down along this. And then maybe you can find a way to tuck it in here as well. I'm not too worried about it. I didn't want to get too crazy with it. But if you're really, really worried about any cable showing at all, I'm sure if you follow this and kind of get creative when you get to that section and this section, you can make it look even cleaner. So again, this will work with any wired dash cam that you got to run a wire for. I've never done this professionally. I've ran a couple dash cams, a couple backup cams when I was younger, but it's super simple. This is probably one of the easiest cards I've ran a wire like that through. So yeah, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do.